Hey guys, welcome back with the Albanian, and today we're gonna be changing the headlights on a 2007 BMW 3 Series. It's gonna be my first attempt, so bear with me as I go through the process. So as you saw in the intro of this video, this light over here was good and the other one was bad, so my left hand side needs to be replaced. And this is it. I got a pair of two. Since I'm gonna change one, I might as well change the other one. And also the lumens are much higher on this one than on the original one. I think the original are around 5K, 6K if I'm not mistaken. These are 8K lumen, so it's gonna be much brighter and more bluish. So I have to change both for them to match or look very weird on it. And as always, I will include the link in the description. They were really nice to send the free anti-static glove with it. So whenever you handle with care, put the gloves on before you even touch it, especially the bolt part. So at first inspection, if you want to get angel eyes, then you open this flap up and you can change the color, you can change the lumens, and if it burns out, you can basically change the bulb. Now to get to the actual headlight assembly over there, that's gonna be very tricky because it's gonna be somewhere behind here, like somewhere deep in there, that the best access to that will be behind the wheel. I'm gonna remove the wheel on this side, on the other side, and I'm gonna work my way through, remove the panel. Okay, so from here we have to remove some screws. It's a 8mm. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think removing the flap like this is more than enough. So you can actually see the whole assembly here in the back. And we got this white screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. It's like a star screw. Alright, so here we go. Here we have our lamp that we need to be replacing. We unplug this USB looking like plug. Just pull it down like this. Then we got these clips. Just push them together and out. Or one by one. And here it is. This one though is the good one. So, like I said, I'm gonna replace both of them. Now we can put the new one in. Alright, so with the gloves on. Now we are on the other side, so let's change this one. It's the same one as the other one, obviously. So I will speed up the video for you. Same thing as on the other side. Grab these two clamps, push them inside and out, unplug and pull. Yeah, looks burned. New one in. And that's it. Now we do everything in reverse. Alright, a moment of truth. Wow, they're much brighter than the original. Much brighter. The angel eyes, they're in the real world, they're actually not flickering. It's the camera picking this flickering up. But yeah guys, this is how you change the headlights on a BMW. These goddamn Germans, they have to over-engineer stuff, don't they? Well, if you like this video, you know what to do. thumbs up, share, subscribe. If not, don't like, don't subscribe. No, I'm kidding. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Have a good one.